Hi internet friends, I have a guest today.
Hi, I'm Ashley.
I'm gonna be doing her hair today. I'm gonna dye it a bunch of colors. It's a surprise, so you'll just have to see. That's it, and okay, keep watching! The reason her roots are so blonde is because this is where her natural color was coming in, and the rest of it turned out almost pink, orange, because she had artificial color on her hair. But the colors that we have will go over this just fine. This is what we're going for, minus the blue. So this is the finished product. It of course didn't turn out exactly how we wanted it to, but when does it ever? We wanted a little bit more orange than we got, but overall, not bad. Not bad at all. Pretty adorable. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. It really means a lot. I have a lot of fun making these videos, so I'm really glad you guys are enjoying them and maybe learning something from them. If you like what I do here, please subscribe, like, comment, share, turn on your post notifications. I love it when you guys interact with me. I have a really funny video coming up within the next week or so make sure you stay tuned for that. Once again, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.